is GoDaddy CEO Aman Bhutani. Welcome back to the show, Aman. It's great to have you.
Great to be back, Sarah. Thank you.
It looked like a beat across all metrics this quarter and for guidance. Did you hear any concerns from investors? Why did the stock fall so sharply today?
Yeah, we're coming off a huge week, Sarah. We closed the Point acquisition this week, and that means new commerce capabilities for our customers. A huge earnings release. Like you said, we beat on the financial metrics. Huge guide for us going forward, accelerating bookings growth over the last 3 quarters. We also announced a couple of retirements later this year, and perhaps there's just a bit of nervousness around that we're seeing. But, short term in the market, we never know why the stock's moving up or down. But over the medium and long term, we know we've got fundamentals. We're going to come back every quarter, just deliver results.
Yeah, I mean, it does raise questions whenever CFO retires in a surprise way, and also the chief legal officer. Any reason why that's all happening simultaneously?
Yeah, Ray and Naima have been close confidants of mine since I joined the company. And Naima's been with the company 18 years. She just wants to move to the next phase of life and retire. And Ray's been a public company CFO for a long time, and he also just wants the next thing for himself. So they've talked to me at a personal level, and they're committed to the company. They're committed to their roles. They'll be with us. They're going to help with the transition, help with selecting new people for their roles. We have fantastic internal candidates. We're a great company. We expect great candidates externally too. So just natural course of life.
Aman, clearly the domain growth is pretty impressive. I mean, what is that as simple as people and companies that don't have a website yet are having to do that for the first time?
Yeah, you see the growth in small businesses, right? Those people are coming online with stores closed because of COVID. These folks are very creative. They moved online quickly. And you see that growth in the primary and secondary market for us on domains. More people coming in, going online, doing more online. And that's one of the reasons domains grew really, really, really well for us.
I mean, I guess a lot of people would say you are the go-to or one of the go-to people if you need a domain and you want to start setting up a website. Are you yet, and when may you be, the go-to place for a full-service offering, particularly when it comes to e-commerce? I know you're adding those services and offer them, but the likes of Shopify have slightly moved ahead and grabbed a lot of share in the last few years.
Yeah, I love the fact that we are the entrant. We're used to in the domains business, even in the website business, being the big player. And here we are in commerce, the person that's disrupting. We're creating a seamless, intuitive experience that goes across all the commerce needs that our customers have. We've done surveys with our customers. We spend focus groups with them. Our customers want the products the way we offer them, and we always back them up with guidance and care from the human guidance and care that we provide. So, we work with the micro businesses, Wilfred. They need the tools. They need them to be simple, and they want human beings to help them. And we do all of that better than anybody else.
Which is why some might be surprised, Aman, that you were able to double the customers over the last year during a pandemic where all the talk has been pain for small businesses, pressure on small businesses. They're closing left and right. So talk about where the new growth is coming from.
So, Sarah, our customers are so resilient and creative. Our churn rates are super low. They still found room to improve in 2020. And where that comes from is that these micro businesses, if they see setbacks because of COVID, they have to wake up tomorrow morning and do something. They're creative. They find a different way to do it. They come to GoDaddy. We help them get online. It opens new doors for them. I can tell you so many stories of customers who've never been online before that went online with GoDaddy in the last year. And that's what you see in the extremely fast customer growth in 2020.
And how can you further monetize that growth? Are you adding more services, adding your overall revenue per user?
Yeah, our average revenue per user today is about $160, Wilfred, but over 20 million customers, right? But that same customer base, stays with us, if you do the math, at least for 7 years. And we're offering more and more for them. We started with domains years ago. Today we have websites. Over the last year, we've been talking about commerce. And GMV on our platforms is growing very, very quickly. Just last quarter, we showed the street that we had about $4.5 billion of GMV transacting on 2 of our main platforms. That 4.5 annualized number accelerated to $7 billion just quarter over quarter. So customers are finding success on our platforms, and that gives us so much opportunity to improve our ARPU over the next few years.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.